Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to find the section IDs. You know, a lot of times when you are trying to put CSS into the back end of your website to style up something, you might need to be styling up everything within a section on your website. And to do that, you'll need to have the section ID to be able to, tell the CSS where to apply the rules that you're putting in. And so, you can go into Chrome Inspector Tools and sort through that and find these section IDs. But there is a Chrome extension by Will Myers that makes this so much easier. You can find block IDs, you can find collection IDs, and then also these section IDs. I'll have a video that I'll put up in the cards and then also in the description of this video about that'll talk about those two things, but this one's specifically about how to find the sections. And so let's head over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. Okay, so we're here in the Chrome Web Store, and all you have to do is a simple search here for Squarespace ID Finder. And you see it right there. And there's two options here. The one that I have is the one by Will Myers. I don't know on this other one. It possibly works just fine, but the one that I recommend is the version here by Will Myers. I've been using his plugins since I started building websites on Squarespace, and they've never failed me once. They've always been great. His ID Finder has been just the same. So it's the one that I recommend, but you would click on it, and then you're just going to click here to add to Chrome. I've already got it, so mine says remove from Chrome, but we'll head over here to my demo website and I can show you how it works. So we're here on the home page, and all you have to do is go up here into your extensions on Chrome, and you can click that and you'll see all of your block IDs, section IDs, collection IDs, they all come up. For the purposes of this video, we're trying to find the section ID, and so all you have to do is click on that section ID. It copies it automatically. And then you can go into pages and then down to website tools and then to custom CSS. And then you can paste that section ID into your custom CSS and whatever CSS you would like to apply to that section ID now, you can. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.